to another video. Today we're going to talk about something really simple. Well, it's not, to most people, but some people it's not. You might not know how to do it, never heard of it. So what we're talking about is how to set up a Forex account, whether it's a demo or a real account. And we're going to talk about the brokers that I use and just, like I said, how to set it up. So the main brokers I use is KLT Forex, I use Hugo's Way and Trader's Way. Those are the main three that I use. It's thousands of brokers out there, but these are the main three I use. And all your broker is somebody basically where you use deposit your money into to leverage on the Forex market. And as you see on most of them, pretty much all of them, you could trade crypto, stocks, currencies, all that type of stuff, right? And Hugo is kind of similar to KLT as well, Trader's Way. You could do all that on there as well. Now, Trader's Way probably has the biggest leverage out of all of them. So if you got like a small account, when you get really skilled at what you do, you can go take little money and flip it really fast. But that's for a different video. So like I said, the main I use is KLT, and it's super simple, right? All you do, you come here, hit sign up. Let's just make an account. We just make up a name. Use a real email. You gotta verify. I don't use this email at all. Okay, this is like high school. We can use this for video purposes. Boom, make that up. Make sure you put a real email because you have to verify. I'm verifying right now from my phone, so I can just really show y'all how this back office looks. And then I think I might bring it up now. Okay, let me do these. My phone real quick. There you go. Get the email. Click the email. Let it load up. Oh, make sure that y'all subscribe, dislike, comment down at the bottom, all that type of stuff. So what you do, you put a phone number here. Just make up something again. And then put, currency that you got, date of birth, just make up something again. And just make up an address, PO, but they might not do a PO. Let's just make up like 230 Jones, Bob, Road, City, Pittsburgh, 39401. And you just hit create account. And then it should take you back here, and now it should let us log in. Bam, right? And what you want to do is enable this too, right? So you want to go right here where it say enable phone number, put which is your real phone number. And once you verify, they'll send you a text, put the code in, verify the account, and you'd be good to go. Like if you need to make a deposit and things like that. But once it's all set up, all you do is go to my accounts, and it's not gonna let me do it right now because you got deposit money over. But this is just for how to set up Forex account video purposes real fast. Then you hit create account. What you want to do is this: how you do a live account right here, and you pick whatever currency you got, and I always put a 500 leverage. But you can put what you want, but I do 500 for I can risk more to make more money. But let's say you just want to do a demo, right? And what you can do a demo account for your phone, which I'm going to show you in the next clip. Hit this, same thing. So you could practice on a fake account money-wise until you get good at your skill set, your strategies, and things like that to actually build that confidence before you go live. And let's just say you want to start it off with $100, right? All you do is hit create account, which they might not send it to me because I need to enable this, but that's fine. We did a fake phone number anyway. And then I'm gonna show you what happens when you go to your phone, and basically the steps you'll go through to log in to what they'll send you to your email. But remember, KLT, Hugo's Way, Trader's Way are the main brokers that I use. But the one I've been using so far, like, it's just been Hugo's Way. Like, all these brokers are pretty solid. But that's how easy it is to sign up. But just put your correct information and follow the steps through that. And now I'm gonna head over to my phone, and I'm gonna show y'all how to set up a demo account from your phone, or if you want live, how to log in to that.
So to get MT4 on your phone, all you want to do is click the App Store, any device that you got. Just type in MetaTrader 4. It'll bring it up. I already got it downloaded. You can download 4 or 5. It's not that much a difference between them. But once it's downloaded, you just go inside the app. This is how the interface will look. And then down at the bottom, you see where it says settings. You want to click that, and then you'll see right at the top a name will be up there. So you just click where that name is at, and you'll see this page where it says accounts. Hit the plus sign, and then this is how you open your account. So you get these two options. So what we're gonna do first is just open up this demo account. Once you click that, and then this is the option you'll see next to server. So all you do is type in the name of your broker at the top. So we just type in KLT. Boom, KLT demo come up. Let's say you wanted to use the Hugo Way one. Just type in Hugo's. Same thing, Hugo's will come up. Or even the third one I was talking about, the Trader's Way, you type that in, same thing. So whatever broker you're using, it don't even have to be those three. This is how you'll find your broker inside the app, right? So let's go back and see how to actually do live. So where it say log into existing, it'd be the same thing. You'll continue to type in your broker and the name of it, it'll pop up, and then the email they send you will be with a login and password. You can just copy and paste and put that right inside the app, and that'll take you to your actual account that you started, or the demo account that you started with them through the computer. So the next part is we're gonna actually open up a demo account, show you how it looks. So once you click it, you can pick the deposit amount that you want to start off with. So it's telling on you. Then if you do it from the computer, you can actually do a smaller deposit amount, but we'll just hit 3K. And then all you do, come up to the top, up there, fill out your information, your name and all that. And then you just click register with the deposit amount that you got, hit done. Then hit where it says trade in the middle of the screen, and it'll take you to a screen like that where you'll see your balance. The trades, if you win in trades, that's how your charts and stuff will look. And then you also can just play around with it till you get used to the interface that you're using. And then you want to place a trade, you click that. Those are your two options: sell, buy. You set your lot size, all from your app. You can do all this from your phone. Then one more thing, if you want to delete, you just go back to settings, swipe to the left, and you can delete any account that you had and things like that. And remember, that's all it is to setting up your MT4 account. Make sure you like, subscribe. More videos on the way. I'm out.